How to change name in Instagram 2023. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Instagram. So click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you'll see the edit profile option. So go ahead and click on that. You'll see there is your name and your username. So if you want to change your name, just tap on this and you can take this out and write in your new name, but you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So once you change it, go ahead and click this tick mark button so that your name will be changed. And if you want to change your username, go ahead and click on this and do the same thing. And you also won't be able to change your username for another 14 days. And once you change it, go ahead and click this tick mark button right here. So that is how to change name in Instagram 2023.